Alright guys, we're here at the Hinwali Toy Drive. I think it's the first annual toy drive at Hinwali at the Walnut location. Got a couple cars just parked in the red, as you do. And of course, we got the world's sexiest TDF being unloaded right now. Check that out. Sick. We got a 458 Speciale. That's a pretty good spec. Gold wheels. Got the carbon shield right there. Black interior with blue outlines, blacked out wheels, and blue calipers. That, guys, is actually a Turbo S, believe it or not. The wing game on these three Porsches, though. Oi! Oi! That was a close one. There you go. The wing game, as I was saying, is impeccable. Check that out. He's just giving everyone fake tickets. The thing is, he's been doing this for like over a minute, so it's pretty impressive, honestly. He's just running around giving people fake tickets. This is what the car scene in America has evolved to. Oh, he literally is on the ground right now, guys. What's even more shocking to me is that no one really gives a shit because they've seen this act over and over again. It's pretty funny because David Lee's right there giving an interview. How do you keep a straight face, honestly? Oh my god. Well, there's the green LFA. That's pretty sick from CNC Motors. I think they brought 3 cars out. And check this out, guys. All the toys are in this Rolls Royce. Pretty baller. He's running out of juice. Yeah. Nice color on the SV. Oh, there we go. Man, this is getting bad, dude, guys, we're 6 minutes in and he's still going at it. Oh my god, dude, come on. He's still going at it. Oh my god, that is something else. There you go. You can see some of the flames all the way to the second floor up here at Hinwali, guys. So we're just chilling up top. We haven't even gone down there to check out the cars, but I think you pretty much see the entire show from up here, guys. We got a mega fuckboy while David Lee's trying to give a speech about his charity or his charitable event here at Hinwali. But check out the license plate game. Uber BMW Sexy 488.
Thank you.
Yay! Not yay on the BMW. Dude, guys, lifted truck. It's like we're at SEMA all over again on 4 Giottos. Speciale Aperta, we got the loft and the Isetta. Maybe 2 gifts on the back. And of course, another Speciale Coupe right over here. Dude, that thing sounds mean. That 720S? Jeez. Alright guys, we're en route to some sort of secret McLaren event, some sort of VIP event apparently. They're unveiling 6 MSO McLarens. I'm going to guess right now, and I honestly don't know what they're unveiling. So my guess right now is, I think they're going to unveil some sort of MSO 720S or 570 maybe even 600 LT, but those cars just came out, so I'm not entirely sure. But the place is right around the corner. Not really sure where we're at, but you know what? It's all good. Got the invite, many thanks to O'Gara, so we're gonna head on over there. There's a complimentary valet parking, so. We're rolling, all right. Here we go, we're gonna hop inside. Ooh, nice suit, respect. All right, guys, it's a little bit more packed. Here we go. Look at her coat, no way. All right, guys, we made it in. I'm gonna yell over the microphone. We got a lot of copyright music with a DJ. We got a Senna F1 GTR, and of course this puppy right here, the high downforce kit F1. I don't even know the official name of the blue here. Perhaps Eric Reynolds over there might assist us. By the way, this is his 54th F1 that he's seen in person. This car rarely ever leaves the state of Oregon, and now what? Guess what, guys? It's here in Los Angeles, in the flesh. There it is, guys. Dude, I honestly have no idea how I made it in here, but we got another McLaren Senna that was at the Sunset GT show, along the black one way down there. But dude, this right here, F1, the high downforce kit, 1 of 8 in the world. I'm literally screaming over this DJ, guys. Check out the interior. Now, unfortunately, this car needs kind of a detail, but you know what? This blue is absolutely stunning. For them to get it out here in Los Angeles, look at that. Awesome. Dude, they're balling out at this event here, guys. Got the champagne and everything. Woo! Dude, we're still waiting for the event to start. Check out these chairs. I'm gonna hop in one. Hold on.
Lock sound. Is it lock sound?
Dude, it's a trip in here, man. Whoa.
I'll have a cushion in mine. Somebody was taking a nap.
Oh yeah, I have a cushion right here. I'm just chilling right here. Oh, by the way, guys, I wore sneakers and jeans at a highly requested cocktail attire event. So I'm making an effort, guys. I'm doing the best. We're currently just chilling in this really weird chair with my friend Delancer on Instagram.
It was the first car I saw when I pulled up.
The first car that you saw, and it's a yellow McLaren SLR Roadster.
Brown interior.
I feel like I've seen photos of this at Car Week ages ago. Oh my god, yeah. $11.99 dealer plate. Got a helicopter, police helicopter just chilling up there. Dude, no way. I thought you were joking, Tom. I'm sorry I doubted you. We're still waiting for the unveil, but dude, this yellow SLR Roadster McLaren right here, pretty sick. Definitely not a wrap. I'm pretty sure it's the same one that was at Car Week a little while back, so that is pretty baller. And we got a couple Urises over there, Maseratis. Ooh, a first-gen Superleggera in yellow. Hold on now, let's take a little look-see right here. This is, it's pretty clean. I like this. I know they didn't make this one in blue, but there was one in blue. I guess you have to wrap it blue, but man. Let's do a quick loop around here. See what else is in this parking lot. Heard there's a P1 running amok around here, so I don't know the paint code of this particular P1, but it's not unraceable, but it is a pretty sick color. It's like dark purple, the orange little stripes. Sick color on that one with the gold wheels. It's purple as well. And a sea of McLarens here, 12Cs, LTs, 720Ss, 650Ss, so on and so forth. We're still waiting for the unveiling to happen inside, but I have to bounce pretty soon. But dude, not a bad turnout. And of course the yellow McLaren SLR Roadster and the P1. And I messed up in the last video, guys. I said this is a DB11 Superleggera. It is a DBS. So I apologize. There it is, right there. Boom. Oh, Chrome 458. Reynolds has made an interesting observation, guys. Right next to the good old SLR Roadster is a 488. This entire 2 rows right here, all McLarens, but someone has snuck through.
Go ahead and reach into the bottom of the bag and show everyone what has now appeared inside of that bag. Do you feel it? Show it to everyone. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
It's a key. Let's see.
Laser show. All right. F1 high down sport kit. It was bought in 2003 for a whopping $1 million. What is it worth now? 12, 13, 14?
Real quick, Frankie.
That is